guys, it's Tech. Welcome to another game test on the channel, and today we'll be playing the PES 2021 at 60 FPS on the Infinix Note 8. So grab a popcorn and let's get started. The Infinix Note 8 is a mid-range gaming phone with a gaming-centered processor, which is the MediaTek Helio G80, clocked at 2 GHz, and the GPU is the Mali G52. This phone comes with a 6GB RAM and a 128GB of internal storage, which makes this even more faster than the predecessor. This guy doesn't even lag at this high FPS while playing games, and even the high graphics settings, it just runs smoothly. The Infinix Note 8 runs on Android 10, slapped on top of it is the XOS 7.1 Dolphin. This phone also has a big display of 6.95 inches, which is HD display, capped at 720p resolution. This is where I don't buy the fact that the processor is a pretty good one that can carry a 1080p display without any stress, but instead we got a 720p. The display has a 284 ppi and it comes with a 60Hz. This phone is a power guy, like it comes with a huge 5200 mAh battery that can last you for a day, at least in a single charge, depending on what you do with it. It comes with a charging brick of 18 watts and this charges super fast. You can get from 0 to 100% in about 1 hour or so. With this, I got nothing to worry about during my daily routine. This phone has its fingerprints on the right embedded on the power button below the up and down volume rockers. The Infinix Note 8 comes with a 64 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel depth, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel QVGA sensor, and a quad LED flash at the back. The 64 megapixel camera takes really great and decent pictures and shoots video up to 2K at 30 FPS. But going with the low budget sensors, those 22 megapixels that you get with the 64, I did say they would have added at least 8 megapixel wide angle camera instead of giving us that extra QVGA sensor, which I don't even know what is doing there. If you liked what you've seen so far, please consider subscribing to the channel as we are on our way to 300 subscribers before the year end. On the front, you get a dual punch hole camera placement housing a 16 megapixel main and a 2 megapixel depth. The picture from this selfie is pretty good and it shoots video up to 2K at 30 FPS. This phone has a dual stereo speaker, making it sound louder and clearer. It has a USB Type-C. My oh my, this is a $200 phone. Impressive. This also has the earphone jack, which is drastically fading away in 2020. Who knows if we'll still get any phone that comes with the earphone jack in 2021. And the microphone, all located at the bottom of the phone. This phone is priced at 90,000 naira, which translates to about $200, and in India is priced at about 17,500 Indian rupees. The Infinix Note 8 is really a nice device to own if you are a gamer, consumes a lot of content, and don't want to bother yourself about charging your phone always, just like in Nigeria where electricity is so bad. I bet you this is the nice choice. Or less, if you want that flagship or high-end mid-range device, you can go for the Infinix 08. I will leave a link to the video in the card above or in the description as well. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel as we are on our way to hit 300 subscribers before the year end, and also leave a comment if you would get this phone and why. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.